Alright guys, so that is it. As far as like maintenance of the Jeep, what I do after wheeling, I needed an oil change, so I did an oil change. Air filter replacement because it was so dirty from the last wheeling trip. And I did a tire rotation because I needed it, because that was the second time after 6,000 miles to get a tire rotation. Alright, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, click that subscribe button. Will be appreciated. Until next time, and keep on jeeping. Peace.